Stop trying to learn how to code to build a SaaS. In 2026, you don't need a dev team. You just need the right systems. In this video, I'm walking you through my exact roadmap to go from zero to your first profitable AI SaaS agency using nothing but no-code tools. If you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it.
So here's your challenge for the next 30 days. Week 1. Choose one industry and spend time understanding how that business operates. Defense 2-person distorates. Week 2. Build one simple demo. That solves a genuine business problem. Week 3. Reach out to 5 businesses every single day using personalized messages. Week 4. Book discovery calls, improve your offer, and learn from every conversation. I'm going to show you the exact 5-step system I'd use, from choosing a niche, creating an offer, finding clients, and delivering projects using mostly free AI tools. Not by becoming an AI genius, not by hiring a team, and definitely not by spending thousands of dollars on expensive software. And definitely coming in. The problem isn't that AI tools are expensive. The problem is that most people have no clear roadmap to turn those tools into a business that actually makes money. Every single day, new AI tools go viral. But tools alone don't build businesses. Solving real problems for real clients does. My goal isn't to sell you unrealistic dreams. It's to share practical systems, real experiments, and lessons you can apply to build your own AI business. So let's start with the most important decision you'll make: choosing the right niche. Because if you get this wrong, everything else becomes much harder. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to help everyone. They say, "I build AI chatbots for any business." That sounds flexible, but it's actually your biggest weakness. Businesses don't buy AI. They buy solutions to expensive problems. Your niche isn't about the technology, it's about the outcome you can deliver. Instead of targeting everyone, choose one industry where repetitive tasks create real business problems. That's where AI delivers the most value. Here's a simple filter I use. Ask yourself one question. Does this industry lose time or money because of repetitive work? If the answer is yes, it's worth exploring. Think about a dental clinic answering the same booking questions all day, or a real estate agency responding to identical property inquiries. Those repeated tasks are opportunities for automation. You don't need to become an expert in every industry. Learn one business inside out, and you'll know exactly where AI can make the biggest impact. Before we continue, I want to share something important. I'm documenting this entire AI agency journey publicly, from outreach and proposals to landing clients and building real AI systems. If you want the exact outreach templates, proposal templates, AI prompts, and resources I'm using, join my free WhatsApp community using the link in the description. Everything is completely free, and I'll keep updating it as I build this agency. Now let's get back to the roadmap. Finding the right industry is only half the job. Now you need an offer that's so clear a business owner instantly understands the value. Notice the difference between these two statements? One says, "I build AI chatbots." The other says, "I help restaurants answer 7 without hiring extra staff." Which one sounds more valuable? People don't invest in software. They invest in saving time, increasing revenue, or reducing manual work. Frame every offer around those outcomes, and your conversations become much easier. Now it's time to build something you can actually show. Before asking for anyone's trust, give them a reason to believe you can solve their problem. Your demo doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to help a business owner picture how their daily work could become simpler. A one-page landing page, a working chatbot, or a short automation video is often enough to start meaningful conversations with potential clients. Imagine you're contacting a restaurant owner. Instead of describing an idea, send them a quick preview that shows exactly how online orders could be handled automatically. This automated workflow, the same idea works across different industries. Whether it's a dental clinic, a gym, or a real estate agency, people respond much better when they can see the solution in action. Once your demo is ready, don't wait for it to become flawless. Launch it, collect feedback, improve it, and let real conversations shape your next version. This is the step where most people quit. Not because AI is difficult, but because talking to real businesses feels uncomfortable. That's completely normal. Forget sending hundreds of generic messages. Instead, build a short list of businesses that clearly have a problem your solution can improve. Before you contact anyone, spend 2 minutes learning about their business. A personalized message almost always stands out more than a copied template. Keep your message short, relevant, and focused on one idea. Show that you understand their situation. Here's an example. Hi Sarah, I noticed visitors on your website can't book appointments outside business hours. I recorded a short demo showing one possible improvement. Would you like to see it? You won't receive a reply from everyone, and that's expected. One thoughtful message that starts a real conversation is far more valuable than sending 100 that get ignored. When someone replies, don't rush into selling. Your first goal is to understand how they currently work and where they're losing the most time. Ask simple questions. How do new customers contact you? Which tasks take the longest? What slows your team down every day? Once you've identified the problem, explain your solution in plain language. Skip the technical jargon and focus on what improves for their business. For example, instead of saying, I'll build an AI chatbot, explain that customers will receive answers instantly, even after business hours. Start with a small project. It reduces the client's risk, helps you build trust, and gives you a real success story to share with future prospects. Congratulations, you've landed your first client. Now let's look at how to deliver excellent results efficiently using AI, without making your workflow unnecessarily complicated. Landing a client is exciting, but keeping that client is what builds a real business. Great delivery creates referrals, repeat work, and long-term trust. Keep your process simple. Start with understanding the project, create a clear plan, build in small milestones, and communicate progress regularly. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Let it help with research, drafting, coding, testing, or automation, while you stay responsible for the final result. Before you deliver anything, test every workflow yourself. A small mistake can damage trust much faster than it takes to earn it. Once the project is live, don't disappear. Follow up with the client, answer questions, and look for opportunities to improve the solution over time. Every successful project becomes more than income. It becomes proof, a testimonial, and a stronger portfolio piece that makes winning the next client much easier. Now let's talk about the 3 mistakes that stop most beginners before they ever land their first client. Mistake number 1, waiting until everything feels perfect. Your first demo won't be perfect. Your first message won't be perfect. Progress comes from improving after you start. Mistake number 2, learning dozens of AI tools instead of solving one valuable business problem. Mistake number 3, copying generic outreach messages that every business owner has already seen. If you avoid those 3 mistakes, you'll already be ahead of most beginners. Let's quickly recap everything we've covered. Find one niche. Create one irresistible offer. Build one simple demo. Niche. Reach out consistently. Deliver outstanding results. Then repeat the process. This roadmap is the exact system I'm following myself, and over the next few months, I'm documenting every step publicly.
Thanks for watching. If you're serious about building an AI agency from scratch, subscribe and join me every Sunday as we build Monas AI together. I'll see you in the next one.